Reddit is the place that has the most information really on the internet for doing anything. I put together a free course that you can go through that will walk you through how to use Reddit to really build the basis of your business online. Your SEO, your ads, your everything like Google Ads from real complaints. So it's finding hyper local keywords that people are typing in and looking for. There's a ton of amazing information and there's a ton of amazing things that you can do with Reddit to be able to really hone in on who your audience is, what your product is, how to improve your product, how to improve your marketing, how to improve your ads, right? On top of that, I took that course and I turned it into a free AI agent download. So what it will actually do is the agents you give it hyperlocal keyword and a business profile, and then a real Chrome window will scrape Reddit like a human. Claude then will normalize and figure out what's going on, the pains, the quoted phrases, the objections, the competitor signals, the buying intent, and then turns it into one full resource that then you can use to get real deliverables for like what are the pain points that people are experiencing with this type of product or with competitors' products. A full SEO content suite to have every single possible thing that people are searching for so you can make sure you're not missing anything in your SEO, completely dialed in. 3 to 5 different Google Ads variations. All of your Facebook ads will be written. YouTube scripts, complete lead magnets for PDFs. Everything can be done with this system because it's going and actually finding the best quality information that exists on the internet, which is in Reddit, because it's real people giving real information about their real issues. So this is an amazing free resource for you. You can grab it on the link below, redditsniper.mikey.ai. You can go in here. There's a huge course. But what I do is I'll go and download the free thing here. Okay, so you download it. I already logged in, and then it will email you all this. I don't know why that's not working, but it'll email you a zip, and then all you have to do is go over to Claude and just simply drop that into Claude. And then everything's going to be working for you fine, and you won't have any issues at all. Whoops. So check that out, redditsniper.mikey.ai, and it's pretty incredible on what it can do for whatever you're trying to do for your business. Let me know if you got any questions in the comments below, but basically this resource is going to be the best. Even if you just point your AI, your Claude to this course, if you just go like this and you just go if you just put that in, that is going to give you enough information to be able to then create your own or do whatever you want to do. But it's going to give directed information to AI for it to actually give you the best possible information for whatever your product is, whatever your business is, whatever your idea is, whatever you're trying to do, make money. This is how you can find the most information on the internet to do that. So definitely check that out. redditsniper.mikey.ai. Link is below. Let me know if you got any questions in the comments. Appreciate you. See you in the next video.